Alfie's first time trying ice cream. Is he going to like it? I think every dog likes ice cream. It's cold, mate, you have to get used to it. You just lick it, that's what you do.
Well done, mate. She's on 5 and I've only had my first ice cream.
Is that nice, dude?
I took a stroll with my captain and gazed to the shore. Played a game with my teammates, got the highest score. Tasted delights with our
Is he eating lumps or just licking it?
magical tale before bedtime is due.
It seems to be going down quick. He'll want mine when he's done.
A goodbye from our new best friends brings us
Come on, mate, that looks yummy.
another day where we get to do it all again. It's not just the places you go, but the friends you meet.
Alfie likes ice cream. It's quite a big lump, that though.
There's the green light and they're off. Asda racing into pole position with amazing savings. That's because Asda has thousands of products cheaper than
Look at that go.
Morrison's, even with their loyalty card prices. And would you look
This
at
is
that?
can I have a flake
Save
and some
over 30
sprinkles
pounds
next
off this
time,
basket.
please.
What a shop! Look at Asda go, leading the way. That's championing great value. That's Asda price.
Good lad.
Done, mate. Is that nice?
Oh, I hope he's at the old lump.
Oh, my neck.
Piggy elf.
Is that alright?
There you go.
That was good, mate, wasn't it?
Good boy.
Good boy.